Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand landing page in Squarespace using page sections, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore your brand landing page in Squarespace, first, log into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the website dashboard for the site you wish to edit. On the left sidebar, click on Pages to view all your current pages. Locate the landing page you'd like to restore or modify. If the page is still available but needs updating, click on its title to open the page editor. To add sections back to your page, click on the plus icon or that Add Section button at the bottom of your current sections. From the section options, choose the layout that best fits your branding requirements. Once selected, customize the section by adding text, images, or other content as desired. After customizing, use the drag and drop feature to rearrange your sections for optimal flow. If you need to restore a previously deleted page, click on Settings at the upper right corner. Under Settings, look for the Pages tab and then click on Restoration. You will see a list of deleted pages. Find your brand landing page in this list. Click Restore next to the page you want to recover. Now that the page is back, click on it to enter the page editor. Review all sections and ensure that all content is accurate and visually appealing. If any sections are missing, you can add them back using the same process as before. Finally, preview your landing page to see how it looks on both desktop and mobile devices. Make any final adjustments based on your preview. Once satisfied, you're ready to publish or update your live site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.